In this video, I'll show you how to import your contacts into a new CRM without losing data. It's simpler than you might think, but if done wrong, it can cause a lot of headaches, especially when migrating from one CRM to another. Stick around, because I'm going to give you some tips to make sure the whole process goes smoothly, and I'll even provide you with an exclusive free trial to the software I'll be using in this tutorial, which you can find in the description below. First, the key here is preparation. Before you import anything, you need to clean up your contact list. Go through your data and remove duplicates or outdated information. This step will ensure that your CRM stays organized and your contacts are all up to date. Trust me, it's worth the time. Next, export your contacts from your old CRM. Most CRM systems allow you to export your contact list as a CSV file, which is a format that's easy to upload into your new CRM. Make sure to check that the exported file contains all the fields you need, like names, email addresses, phone numbers, and any custom fields you've set up in your previous system. This is crucial for making sure no important data gets left behind. Once your data is cleaned up and exported, it's time to import it into the new CRM. Our software makes this process super easy with a simple import tool. Most CRMs will allow you to map the fields from your CSV file to match up with the CRM's fields. For example, if your CSV file has a column for email addresses, you'll want to map that column to the email field in the CRM. This ensures that all your data ends up in the right places. When importing, double check that your data mapping is correct. This is where a lot of people make mistakes, and it's the reason why data can get lost or misallocated. After mapping, run a test import with just a few contacts first. This will allow you to spot any issues before you commit to importing the entire list. After the test import, check your data for any inconsistencies or missing information. If everything looks good, go ahead and import the rest of your contacts into your new CRM. The process should be quick and seamless, but if you do encounter any issues, most CRMs will allow you to undo or correct the import. Now, a big tip I want to share is that once your contacts are in the new CRM, it's important to set up automated backups. You don't want to go through the hassle of importing contacts only to lose them again due to a technical error. Backing up your data is key to preventing future headaches and protecting your business's information. To recap, here's what you need to do. Clean up and organize your contact data, export it from your old CRM, ensure you map the fields correctly when importing, run a test import first, and always back up your data once it's in the new system. And before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so if you want to follow along with this tutorial, make sure to grab it. Key takeaway: importing contacts into a new CRM without losing data boils down to preparation, careful data mapping, and testing before committing to a full import. Take your time, follow the steps, and you'll save yourself a lot of headaches. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab that free trial link in the description.